Hello, this is my full stack application, Rails full stack application called Hope School, and it is basically a competency education based application. This is the role, the link. I deployed it with render, so if we had to go to the specific link, this is the basic website that is accessible to everybody. Anybody who wants to know any basic information about Hope School, all the information is right here. In the about section about their school programs. I won't really go so much deep into this. I'll share the link where somebody can go through this website thoroughly. My main focus would be the administration section, where the administrator can manage the whole school system, can manage teachers, students, assessments, and everything else. So apart from just this basic kind of layout of the website, let's go to the administration side. So /admin. Yeah, so for the admin, he or she can log in here, and the example, this are just the basic kind of examples for this specific website. And anybody who would want to start the application in their computer, or anybody who would want access to this, just inbox me. So this is the admin. Password is simply password 123. Then the administrator would log in. The administrator of the school. What? Password. Nice. We are in. Now, this is the basic overview of the whole dashboard, where the admin can see the number of students, teachers, assessments, maybe pending admissions, classrooms, levels, subjects. So if we were to start with the students, in this case here we have several students, and if we are, for example, to create a new one, we would just basically go to add new, choose maybe the picture, any picture of the student. Let's pick this picture. Let's call him Ben. Monday, any number. So for this specific person, JSS1, 3, JSS1, 2, let's say 29. Gender is male. Now for the stream, he is in JSS1. I did 2 streams for each class, so I have red and blue. It can be either JSS1 or let's go with blue. Then we register the student. It's taking a while. Yeah, nice. So here we have Ben, and we can still view Ben or this specific student in details here, and the status, the academic status. So you can also add a teacher. We currently have these teachers. Let's just add another one for an example. Let's say John. Just an example. Email to teacher. Any kind of basic number, but then for a specific school you can enter the exact number of the teacher, and let's assign this teacher some basic lessons. So the first one is agriculture in grade 3, art and craft in maybe grade 5, maybe science and technology in JSS. So let's register this teacher. Yeah, we have John Bikoko. Yeah, and this is just basically everything. I didn't specifically add a picture section for a teacher, but then if a school specifically wants also the teacher side to also have images, it is still okay. So we have the levels, all the levels of the school, from PP1 to all the way to JSS 3. We have the classrooms. Now the classrooms, I did 2 streams. So you can see for PP1 we have blue, we have red, the same similar for each and every other level. In subjects also we have these other ones, and for example, if a school doesn't offer any, we can still remove it, add others that have not included here. And then finally, let's go to admissions. Now admissions is basically when we are adding a student, it is still considered as an admission because you're admitting a student, so there is no much difference between that. You see, the form is still the same, picture, name, yeah. So assessment, now if we would want to add an assessment for a specific student, you just choose the student. Let's see the students we have. So let's go with Ben. We want to record a assessment for Ben Omondi. Let's say we want science and technology. He is in JSS 1. Now we can always configure this to have more according to the school or according to the CBE kind of a criteria, but then for now let's just go with the kind of the ratings that I kind of found online. So let's save this assessment. Nice. So in this case we have several, and Ben is added at the moment and he is exceeding expectation. That is basically it for the dashboard, but we can always add more. We can always add more features. Also learning about this CBE kind of curriculum and everything that it entails. This is just like a template, like a maybe blueprint to how we can add more information, how to add more configurations according to how the specific school would want it, and how maybe the CBE curriculum looks like. Yes, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye. Kwani sikuwa na record? Iko on.